fresh air. I find this a rarity now. Everyone's always stuck inside on social media. So annoying. Anyways, do you want a cigarette? Oh, no. I usually don't smoke. I'm just a social smoker. Okay. Suit yourself. I'm gonna get one. You know what? You do have a good point. I might be addicted to cigarettes after all. It just relaxes me. Well, I'm supposed to be meeting up with friends here. You see, we got lost at the club, and we're just trying to gather up afterwards and maybe get a snack. Yeah, there's a club around the corner. I believe it's called Omnia or something. I'm not really sure. Anyways, what are you doing here alone? You came with friends? Oh, looks like we're both lost. Maybe we can look for our friends together. Maybe we can introduce them to one another. Make a little match. Wouldn't that be cool? Sure. My squad consists of a bunch of people in bucket hats, and they're always dancing, and they look like they're headless chickens. Let's see. Let's take a look around. Alright, so let's check my pockets. Maybe they called me earlier. So we have a lighter. We have some gum. Gotta be fresh. We have some cigarettes. Gotta be fly. We have some keys. Gotta have a roof over my head. And, oh, you weren't supposed to see this. I'm a little embarrassed, but I do like to use protection, and you never know when you're gonna need it. It's kind of like how some girls will carry around mace or pepper spray. Guys carry this around in case we just get lucky. Who knows? So, the one thing I'm missing here, I'm supposed to have a wallet. Yeah, I don't know where it is. Maybe it dropped out at the club? Or maybe someone grabbed it. There was a lot of grabbing going on back there. Well, you don't know that. Were you in the club? If you were, I would have grabbed you, but... Okay, well, hopefully one of my friends found it. Oh, I just got a text from my buddy. Yeah, he says he has a wallet. That's good. Well, because apparently I get very charitable when I drink. And I kind of offer to buy everyone drinks, but that's not always a good thing. I don't want to exactly break my bank, right? Alright, so here's what happened. Alright, I gave my wallet to my friend, maybe, to protect me from my money that I didn't want to spend, allegedly. So what I'm trying to say is that I'm very good at planning. And thus, you can have complete trust in me. Okay, let me just think out loud for a second. Alright, what if we went back into the club? Okay? And we find my friends, and get my wallet and go get you a nice little drink. Anything you want. I won't judge. And then afterwards, maybe after some dancing or some little snacks at the bar, we can go to the back of the club and get to know each other more. I have a booth. We can draw the curtains just in case it gets too intimate. Okay? What do you think? Really? Great. Why don't we go to the back entrance of the club where they let the VIPs in? As for the drink, order anything you want. Did you get your drink order in? Great. Now follow me around the corner. This club is a really big pit, and my booth looks over the whole thing. So naturally, you get to experience all the action without having to actually be in it. And if, in case you can't hear me, or you want a more quiet time, we can just close the blinds, lower the curtains, set the mood. See, they even have candles and everything for us. Well, now that we're settled in, do you want to divulge to me why you were staring at me outside when it was just the two of us with those lovely eyes of yours? You were just yearning for me, weren't you? I know that look when I recognize it. It's one of the best times of my life. How about this? Let's just get straight to the point. Go ahead, sit down, listen to my directions, and enjoy the rest of our night together. Baby, I want to divulge to you that I was waiting for this for so long. And it feels way, way better than I imagined. You make me feel like $1,000,000. And I just don't think I'll ever be this happy again. You're the nicest, most gorgeous girl I've ever been with. And oh my God. Oh my God. I just never want to lose you. I know I'm good at this. You know, I have been told that I have a tongue that puts everyone else's to shame. Ooh, yes. Why would I lie? Do you want to see for yourself? That was good, wasn't it? You want more? Well, I'm going to make you beg for it. Don't do that. Your lips are so fat and juicy, and it makes me wanna kiss you forever. But how am I supposed to breathe? I have to take breaks. Oh yeah, that's right. I have a nose. That's a good idea. Alright, girl, what's happening? You had a good time? I know. I had a good time as well. And you know what? We can make this time even greater if you liked and subscribed. Because I love making these videos. And I guess if you could spread the love. Okay, not anything else, just the love. I guess that would be cool. I love you. That's why you should like and subscribe. If you believe in me as your favorite boyfriend, or something, I don't know, something, you should like and subscribe, because I truly do love you guys. It's why I make content all the time.
That's me smiling.